now let's see how to create template messages and get it up. To create templates, you can click on the templates on the left sidebar, and you can click on add templates to create new template, right? You can click on add template and you can choose the category of template. So there are three categories of template. One is a marketing, authentication and utility. So for example, if you are sharing a messages related to your business products or service, right, then it comes under marketing. Or if you are sharing some OTPs or login code messages or basically to authenticate a user, then it comes under authentication. And if you are sharing some transaction related messages, right, it comes under utility. You can choose the languages, all the native languages available, and you can give a name to your template. Okay, maybe I'm giving it as an offer message, right? And you can choose a category of message you want to send, the type of message you want to send. You just want to send normal message, you can add it, footer, and you can add it. You can also add a text. Text means you can add some header so that when it is sent to the user, when it is sent to the your customers, only the header will be shown from the notification, right? When they click on the notification, whole message will be seen. And if you want to add image, right, you can upload the image directly from your device. Or if you want to add video, you can upload the video directly from your device or document, right? So for example, I'm just adding a message. Now I have added a message. You can see the preview here. So you can use variables. It is very important. So here you can see I have added 1, 2, 3, 4 under the curly braces, and this star or asterisk, it will make the font bold. It will make the font bold. Okay, so you can use variables to send personalized messages, maybe with their names or anything you want to change it while sending the template. You can add as a variable. Okay, so once you have added the variable, you also have to give a sample values. For example, here in my case, so dear, this is a sample name. Okay, so I'm just adding some sample name you can add, or any value you can add for now. And thank you for choosing maybe let's say BSM WBA, right? And your payment of rupees say 999 is successfully submitted. Okay, and regards, maybe you can add your business name. This you can do, or you can just remove this. As you can see, when I removed the when I remove the variable, automatically the value also disappears. Okay, you can add like this, or you have one more option, that is you can add you can add footer. So in the footer, basically you can add your company name. So for now I'm adding business sales mission. So I have added the message. You can see the preview, and you can also add buttons. So the buttons are very important. The button messages are like they drive engagement from your users. You can click on add button. There are different kinds of buttons. One is a quick reply button. Now let's say you want to ask your users to buy now. Okay, so now when they click on this particular button, you want to send them some response, maybe a payment link or order details, everything, right? So you can just share it, like you can create a chatbot for that. Then automatically when they click on the button, the chatbot will be responding to them. That is one thing. The second is you can use URL. So in the URL, now let's say you're asking your users to register, right? So when they click on the particular button, you can directly redirect them to particular URL. You can add the URL here. And in the URL, there are two kinds of URL. One is a static URL. Maybe you are sharing your website URL or your landing page URL, anything. You can directly share the URL. This will not be changeable while sending the messages. But now let's say you are using dynamic. Dynamic in the sense you are using this particular template every week or something, and every week the link might change. In that case, you can just write it as a dynamic URL. Okay, and then call, like if you want your users to call you directly, right, you can add call option. So when they click on the particular button, you can add the number here with the country code. So when they click on the button, it will be automatically redirected to call the particular number you have added. And if you're running some offers or you're sharing a coupon code with the users, so when you write the code, right, you can just add your code here, and when they click on the particular button, the code will be automatically copied. Or form. Form is like you can share a WhatsApp forms to get sign-ups or registrations or contact information, right? So you can just add a button text, or maybe fill the form or sign up, right? And then you can select which form, and then you can select which screen. Okay, for example, I'm selecting a contact info. Here I can select a welcome screen. So when they click on sign up, automatically the particular form, contact info form, will be opened and the users can submit their responses. Okay, so once you have added all the messages, once you have added all the necessary details, you can just go click on submit approval. Okay, so once I clicked on submit approval, I'm just clicking here sync template and refresh. You can see it did not even take few seconds, it is already approved. Okay, so here the templates, whatever you are creating, which if you want to send a marketing message or authentication or utility messages, you have to send through template itself. Okay, so whatever the templates you are creating will be approved by MetaBots. So it will take just few seconds itself, and it will show the status instantly. And here you can search the templates, right, by name, or here you can search the templates, filter the templates by language, and here you can see the templates by the category, and here you can see the templates by the status. Okay, and here you have an option, you can view the template, like what is the template about, and you can clone the template, like the same template you want to make some changes, you can do that, and if you want to delete the template, you can do that as well. Okay, and once the template is approved, you cannot be changing whatever the content is there in that template. Okay, and one more important thing is, whenever you have submitted the template for approval, make sure you're not missing this step to click on sync templates and refresh, right? So this is completely about templates.